Secure order. Melt away excess pounds fast. #1 formula on the marketplace for managing healthy blood levels. Supports healthy blood pressure. Helps balance blood sugar levels. Supports healthy cholesterol, LDL, levels. Promotes good cholesterol, HDL. Supports insulin sensitivity. Mobile exclusive offer available to U.S. residents only. Do you need support with any of the following? Cardiovascular issues? Type 2 diabetes prevention? Improving glucose control? Losing body weight? If you answered yes to any of these questions, Glucopharm can help support healthy blood pressure and promote your weight loss goals fast and effectively. Introducing Glucopharm. Glucopharm is a never-before-seen revolutionary formula to manage blood pressure and blood sugar levels better than any other product in the marketplace. Simply put, you will never see another product like this out there. We've sourced the most rare, 100% natural ingredients that have been scientifically proven to promote healthy blood pressure levels and combined them into a breakthrough formula that is now going viral. Triple action formula for rapid action and results. Regulates blood pressure. Manages blood sugar levels. Reduces excess weight and obesity. Are you ready to boost your health? Feel the difference Glucopharm makes. Benefits of Glucopharm. Supports healthy blood pressure. Glucopharm uses an exclusive blend of the world's most tested ingredients that are suggested to support healthy blood pressure that is already in normal range. Regulates blood sugar. Glucopharm is by far the absolute best formula for controlling blood sugar and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes better than anything else in the market, utilizing the specific combination of ingredients and herbs inside this cutting-edge formula. Helps with bad cholesterol. The clinically tested, natural ingredients inside Glucopharm have been suggested to support healthy cholesterol levels already in normal range. Increase good cholesterol. In order to keep your blood levels healthy and sustain, we made sure to include important ingredients that promote good cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, so you can constantly keep your blood pressure levels in a healthy state. Reverses insulin resistance. The main cause of type 2 diabetes is becoming insulin resistance. Glucopharm combats insulin resistance in a way no other product has done in the industry. Supports weight loss. On top of the blood health benefits of Glucopharm, it also promotes healthy weight loss by boosting your natural fat-burning metabolism so you can be confident that you'll live a longer, healthier life without weight issues. Are you ready to boost your health? Feel the difference Glucopharm makes. Ingredients of Glucopharm. Here are some of the cutting-edge ingredients inside Glucopharm that are clinically proven to provide results. White mulberry leaf. Suggested to support healthy blood sugar levels and may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Zinc. Helps modulate glycemic control and may help support the health of those at risk of type 2 diabetes. Juniper berry. Supports healthy inflammation response in the body and promotes weight loss. Bitter melon. Suggested to help maintain healthy cholesterol levels to support overall heart health. Biotin plus chromium. Helps support healthy blood pressure levels and support energy levels. Cinnamon bark powder. Controls insulin levels and helps with insulin resistance. Are you ready to boost your health? Feel the difference Glucopharm makes. Real people. Real results. Glucopharm. Here's what everyone else is saying about the incredible results of Glucopharm. All-natural solution for healthy blood pressure. What makes Glucopharm the best product out there is its all-natural ingredient matrix. You can take the supplement with complete confidence, knowing it is free from any harmful fillers, synthetics, or chemicals. Rebecca S. TX. Works wonders. Helped me get my BP under control. I started taking Glucopharm about 30 days ago to help support my blood pressure levels and boost my energy. It feels good to work on my health goals, and I feel the supplement is already helping me feel more energy for my activities and fitness plan. Heather, New York. One solution for a wide range of health concerns. Glucopharm helps you control blood sugar and blood pressure while also keeping your weight in check, all at once. My wife and I have been using this product for over 3 months and can't recommend it enough. Chris A. FL. Are you ready to boost your health? Feel the difference Glucopharm makes. Melt away excess pounds, fast. #1 formula on the marketplace for managing healthy blood levels. Supports healthy blood pressure. Helps balance blood sugar levels. Supports healthy cholesterol, LDL, levels. Promotes good cholesterol, HDL. Supports insulin sensitivity. Claim my bottles. Safe contactless delivery.